Okay, so let me see municipal corporations. In urban local governments, one is municipal corporations, second one is municipalities. One is municipal corporation, second one is municipalities. Municipal corporations. The first municipal corporation in India was Madras. That is Madras. It formed in the year of 1687. Which one? 1687. It formed in the year of 1687. 1687. In the year of 1726, two more municipal corporations formed in our country. One is Bombay and the second one is Calcutta. First one is Bombay, second one is Calcutta. Okay, so state government has power, creates new municipal corporations on the basis of population. Okay, so 74th Constitutional Amendment Act, 74th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. According to 74th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, newly created 12th schedule. Okay. It explains about municipal corporations and municipalities. According to this act, state governments creates a new municipal corporation on the basis of population. Okay, the minimum population of municipal corporation, that is 3 lakhs. How much? 3 lakhs. Maximum population of municipal corporation, that is 10 lakhs. Minimum 3 lakhs, maximum 10 lakhs. This is population of municipal corporation. Is it clear, ma? Right. Entire in India, the biggest municipal corporation. Entire in India, the biggest municipal corporation is, that is Bombay. భారతదేశంలో అతిపెద్ద నగరపాలక సంస్థ బాంబే. ఓకే, more than 10 lakhs people compulsory to become metropolitan cities. Okay, so present in India, metropolitan cities example. First one, that is Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, okay, Madras, Hyderabad, etc. What all these are? Metropolitan cities. Means more than 10 lakhs people are compulsory to become metropolitan cities in our country. Okay, next. Municipal corporations in Telangana. Greater municipal corporations are 2. How many? 2. So one is GHMC, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Okay, and second one, Greater Warangal Municipal Corporation. Okay, these two are greater municipal corporations in Telangana state. And in Andhra Pradesh, greater municipal corporations are 2. One is Vijayawada, second one is Visakhapatnam. Okay, 16 municipal corporations are in Andhra Pradesh. Out of them, the first one is Vizag, second one is Vijayawada. Okay, next. The city is classified into some divisions. Okay, on the basis of population, city is classified into some divisions. Minimum divisions of municipal corporation, that is 50. Maximum divisions of municipal corporation is 100. Okay, minimum 50, maximum 100. Okay, so in Hyderabad municipal corporation, number of divisions 150. Number of divisions 150. How many? 150. Right? So next one, another one. Division registered voters elect the representative of people. We call them as corporator. We call them as corporator. We call them as corporators. Okay. Their term is, their period is 5 years. Their term is 5 years. Their period is 5 years. Okay. So now next one. Who is the head of the municipal corporation? Means mayor. Okay. Mayor is head of the municipal corporation. Mayor is first citizen of municipal corporation or city. Okay, he enjoys whole and sole powers regarding the municipal corporation. Okay, so who elect the mayor and deputy mayor means corporators. Corporators elect the mayor and deputy mayor among themselves for the period of 5 years. Who elect the mayor? Who elect the mayor? Corporators. Who elect the deputy mayor? Corporators. Okay. So ultimately their period is 5 years. So the mayor and deputy mayor are terminated by the corporators through no confidence motion with simple majority. Okay. So next one, another one. Who arranged the municipal corporation council meeting? Commissioner. Okay. Who arranged the municipal corporation council meeting means commissioner. Who presides over municipal corporation council meeting? That is mayor. Okay. Arranged by commissioner, presided by mayor. Okay. So commissioner belongs to IAS. Commissioner belongs to IAS cadre. Commissioner belongs to IAS cadre. Right? So next one. Mayor powers and functions. Conduct the council meeting properly. Second one. Mayor conduct deputy mayor election. Third one, look after the implementation of adopted resolutions of council. Next one, supervise and control all the activities of staff who are working in the council. Provide all facilities to the city people. So these are powers and functions of mayor. So next we come to commissioner. Commissioner is head of the administration of city. Commissioner is head of the administration of city. Head of the administration of city. Okay, municipal corporation. Commissioner is responsible to state government as well as municipal corporation regarding administration. Okay. The commissioner has to prepare the budget and introduce the budget in a meeting. Next one, The commissioner has to implement all the adopted resolution of council. Third one, commissioner has to protect and preserve properties and records of municipal corporations. Next, commissioner has to supervise and control all the activities of staff regarding the administration. Okay, so these are powers and functions of commissioner. Okay, so next one,